Hello guys, today we're going to be showing you how to fix code P0496 and potentially P0442 on your Chevrolet Cruze. Now, most of the time, the culprit's going to be this thing right here, all right, which is an evap Purge canister valve solenoid, whatever they call it. This is what it is, all right, and the location is right here. Do you see the difference? All right. So I'm going to show you how to take it off and put it on real quick. First things first, you can start with this. You got to push on these tabs and pull up. Right here, you lower the clip, all right? And you pull this out. Lower this right clip, pull out just like that. And then the wire right here has got a little tab. You just push the tab in, pull this out, comes right out. And this is just held in by that. So you just, by this thing right here, you just slide out, just like that. Once you undo the other part, and you're able to remove it. So I'm gonna use both hands to remove that real quick, okay? Here we go. All right, once both flaps come off the sides, you just straight up. Then you just pull it off, out with the old and with the new, all right? Installation in the same order. So just put the new one in, slide it in place. All right, line this up, make sure it clicks, click. All right, put this in all the way, lock the tab, then connector, click, you're done. If you have a scanner, clear the codes. If not, disconnect the negative battery cable, wait about 10 minutes, put it back on, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.